Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change date format in Google Sheets. So open up the Google Sheets and open up your spreadsheet in which you want to change it. Okay, so once you are here, now you can also click on the dates or click on the cells where your dates are there, or simply click on any cell just like this here. Okay, then you need to click on format, then you need to click on number here. Okay, then at the bottom you can see these are the two things that is how it is being shown right here, date here. Okay, now what you're going to do is click on custom date and time. Okay, now you can see these are all the options that you have for the date and time. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose like this one or this one, maybe this one, maybe this one. Okay, maybe this one. So whatever you choose, suppose you want to choose this one, month, date and year. Okay, maybe year, month and date. You can also see at the top it is coming. Okay, just like this. And most many people use like day, month and year. So this is the most usable format here. Okay, so once you select it, simply click on apply and it will change right here. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.